Struggling to get a pro driving sound in your techno? I'll show you 3 essential tips to level up your tracks. Check out this before-after comparison. So you're in Ableton, working hard for that in your face sound, but those stock plugins just aren't cutting it. It can be frustrating, especially when it comes to distortion, sidechain, and dynamics. And if you're struggling with anything in Ableton, just let me know in the comments, and I might just make a tutorial to help you out. In this video, we're covering next-level distortion for the massive sound, a sidechain trick for the tight kick and bass, and a compression limiter technique for fat drums. I'll show you exactly why using third-party plugins can make a huge difference, and trust me, after this, your tracks will sound bigger, wider, and way more professional. So stick with me. Here's tip number 1, crank up the distortion with a dedicated unit. Ableton's Overdrive is alright for some stuff, but if you want real punch, you need something with serious character. I'm talking about D16 Devastor. This plugin's a beast. Let me play you a quick A/B comparison so you can hear the difference it makes on a kick. Hear that? It just completely transformed my kick. I also use it on other groups to quickly and easily find an awesome balance. And now let me show you what my mix sounds like when it's off. So what do you think of Devastor? Is it already in your arsenal, or do you have a secret weapon distortion plugin you can recommend? Share your favorite tools in the comments. I'd love to hear about it. And here is tip number 2, sidechain your basslines with a flexible compressor. Sidechain compression is key for creating movement and letting your kick really punch through the mix. Ableton's compressor is okay, but well, it's pretty basic. You've got peak and RMS, but it's about it. It doesn't give you the granular control and flexibility of something like FabFilter Pro-C. Let me show you what I mean. See how much more control you have. And once your sidechain is dialed in, go back to Devastor and tweak the preamp and filters to blend your bassline perfectly with your kick. It's all about that synergy. Check it out. You can see this method works really well, and it's really quick to make any bassline sit well with a kick. Let me know what you think of this mixing technique in the comments, and if you have any other tips or tricks for blending kicks and basslines, please share them with the community below. And finally, here's tip number 3, glue your drums and polish them with advanced processing. You know those classic drum machine sounds? Well, a lot of them use multi-band compression to glue everything together. My go-to is Ozone's multi-band compressor. It's way more efficient and precise than anything built into Ableton in my opinion. I only use Ableton's compressor on individual drum samples. Let me show you what this plugin does to my drum bus. It really does a great job gluing everything together. I actually made a whole other tutorial on how to use multi-band compression to glue your drums together, so I'll put a link up the corner if you want to dive deeper on that. Now for the final touch, a limiter with a soft clip feature. This is another trick taken straight from those classic drum machines. This is what gives your drums that polished, warm, finished sound. Listen to how it colors my drum track. So there you have it, 3 tips to instantly boost your techno productions. Remember, sometimes investing in a few key plugins can make a world of difference. Now, check out this video to learn how to use soft clipping to get huge punchy drums, or head over here to discover another trick to maximize your techno productions. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next.